Guys, this project enables us to use our crypto stablecoins to make payments for our services. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Cast. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a user-friendly crypto-based payment platform that is designed for everyday use. Now guys, we have all been dreaming of the time where we would be able to use our crypto stable coins to use it as payment for the goods and services that we are buying. Now with seamless onboarding, this just takes 2 minutes to complete and users could quickly create an account and start transacting right away. Now, Cast also makes it simple to pay with crypto at thousands of retailers online or in person, and integrating it with daily assets into daily life without friction. I mean, I've seen some projects out there that are promising, digital payments, digital transactions, and all that, but I felt like they don't have that much firepower to make it work. But for Cast, I feel like there's something in them that really, really stands out, and it's because of the dynamic reward system. So they have their cards as well, and you will be able to use that for your purchases. So with higher tier cards, it offers greater percentage return. So the more advanced the card that you have, the better the rewards that you will get, which also encourages users to upgrade and maximize the benefits that they will be getting. So this gamified incentive model makes Cast not only a convenient payment solution, but also a rewarding one. And, just like our credit cards, right? We spend using our credit cards, we get rewards points that we would be able to utilize for travel or for gadgets and all that. So they have that in their product as well. And the platform is actively evolving with major updates on the horizon, guys. A significant platform upgrade is set to enhance the user experience further. And the TGE, or the token generation event, is scheduled for Q1 of 2026, marking it as a key milestone in the ecosystem development. And these upcoming initiatives signal Cast's commitment to innovation and long-term growth. So in essence, guys, Cast bridges the gap between crypto and daily spending. So with ease of use, rapid setup, attractive rewards, and forward-looking plans, it positions itself as a leading solution for those that are wanting to make the most of their digital assets in real world. So that is actually, because for me, I mean, perfect example is what I do, right? So I store my assets in my exchange instead of the bank, because if I stake it, I get more, right? And there are a lot of earning opportunities in exchanges. If you are going to deposit, for example, USDT, you would get certain percentages out of that. This is actually what I like it the most, is because Cast is something that I would be able to use and put my stable coins in there and then use the card to make my goods and purchases without, transferring over it to the bank and, withdrawing it in the ATM or whatnot. This makes the process very much more convenient, which is really, really good. Now, guys, I would, of course, strongly suggest that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. You have also their tabs up in here. Okay, about the company, you would know more about who they are, what they do, and what are the things that they have in the pipeline. So you would be able to know more on who they are and what they do, and what are the things that they have in the pipeline that they will also be implementing in the future. And you also have the Solana X Cast. You can order your Solana card today. Okay, you can read through more of that in here. And of course, this is one of the most important things that I really like to, encourage you guys to participate in: airdrops. Because you would have the opportunity to get free tokens if you are able to join them. So airdrops, go ahead and check that one out as well. Make sure to follow all their social media platforms. They have their X here and their Telegram. So that way you will always be updated with all of the information that they are spreading. So if there are announcements, updates, giveaways, airdrops, anything about the product, you'll always be informed. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.